Oh my god.
It's making itself comfortable.
It was like the best video ever.
Oh my goodness, that cat is adorable.
Kevin rescuing a cat. That's what I'm gonna call it.
After you guys tried.
Kevin, what are you doing?
Snapping those twigs that hit my ankle. Wow, look at these branches. Oh, buddy. I have to go higher. There's no way. I didn't come to this bonfire to do this. Oh, buddy.
I feel like, okay, if you like,
Oh, buddy.
come over from this side,
Come over from that side.
like, take its butt. Oh my god.
So cute.
It's like reach for my hand.
It's got. I need one of these branches to move, because then I can get under it.
Here, record this. I'm gonna
Wait, I'm gonna try and help him. Because this is...
Go, Valeria!
Oh,